The Career and Technical Education Center has a class where second-year students can dig deeper into their understanding of the floral industry.
I took Floral Design 1 last year, and I just kind of fell in love with floral design and wanted to continue with that.
I took the regular floral last year at Centennial, and I really liked the different projects we did, and I think it's fun.
The word agriculture blooms with a new meaning to these students.
A lot of people are actually surprised to learn that floral design is a part of the agriculture pathway here at the CTE Center, but it's an art class where students come in each day and either learn about a technique used in the floral industry or make an arrangement that's used in the floral industry.
STEM by STEM, this floral design class allows them to create their own curriculum.
A lot of the times we get to pick our projects, and I like how personalized it is.
The best part of the class is doing the arrangements and coming up with the different ideas that we have for the arrangements.
They get the chance to spruce up their personal space, as well as give areas around Frisco ISD a botanical feel.
The best part is making arrangements with florals, and every month we get to take one home.
Right now we're doing Valentine's Day arrangements for the Studio 8 restaurant, and it's just a simple bud vase.
Their work brings color to every season as they do arrangements year-round. Hopefully this class helps transform their budding interest into a future career. I'm Shekinah Berry for Frisco ISD TV.